I see this as a sort of club room. Darts. Hanging out with your mates. Oh, yes. There it is.
Shall we order Hammond something? I'm thinking of the beer-battered fishes, pea puree, tartar sauce and real chip. Don't like beer, I don't like better, I don't like fish, I don't
He doesn't like
fish.
fish. He doesn't eat fish.
He doesn't fish,
No.
I know he doesn't eat fish.
He might eat a free-range egg.
Back at base, the wind was getting up.
That bit's slightly too short.
When we got back from the pub, Hammond was still going.
Is this his motorhome?
I don't believe that.
That is outrageous.
Come in, dude, come in. This is the bed. Forms essential. Yeah,
Sorry,
that can happen.
sorry.
I'll give you a quick squiz round if you like.
Yeah, sure.
This is the library here. Thank you.
So you've got a library?
Library. This is the dining room.
goes on, look at
Waiting
that.
dining room furniture.
Bloody
In
Lord.
here, this. Oh, mind that. Yeah.
Sorry. What's in here?
That's
huge.
Actually, that's bedroom. That's a child's bedroom. Look, this is my
What's
living room.
this?
This is lovely.
Look at this.
See?
He's got an ancestral portrait.
Yes, I have a great uncle. Great uncle, tall there.
Just a minute. This is great uncle yourself.
Yeah, it
Let's
is.
have a look.
Yeah.
With the very lengthy tour over, it was time to get some sleep.
These are my night clothes that I like to wear. There we go.